Hello?
Hey Dan, just got your email and the product description is looking great.
Oh, thanks, boss. Yeah, no, I've been working on it all.
One slight problem though. Turns out the guys at Marsden Motors didn't need the product description for this model. It was another one altogether. Just one of those old managerial mix-ups. You know how it is. Anyways, I'm gonna need you to put in a few hours and have a brand spanking new product description ready for 9 tonight.
Well, sir, I do actually have some plans for tonight.
Of course you do. But this does need to be done by the end of the day. If it's really that important to you, then I could ask Mike to do it. But I'm sure he wouldn't be pleased about taking on your workload. And of course, that whole thing is gonna make me quite upset as well. And you wouldn't want to make me upset, would you?
No. Of course I'll get it done. Yeah, no, don't worry about it. I'll have it done by 9 tonight. Last thing I want to do is...
Yep. Sounds great, champ. Knew you wouldn't let me down.
So, what'd you get?
Oh, just plain old coffee.
Wow, really stepping out of your comfort zone today, huh?
Actually, I'm feeling a little adventurous today. I even got them to put a little bit of sugar in there.
Holy shit, stop the presses, I can't believe it. Dan, I don't need any sugar in my coffee. Timmins is finally conceding defeat today.
All right, let's not make a big deal out of this.
No, whoa, I am in disbelief. Somebody take a picture of this because nobody's gonna believe it without proof. What would have caused you to make such a drastic change in your routine today?
Well, you know what they say, variety's the spice of life and all that.
Dude, if variety is the spice of life, then your life is as bland as your dad's Sorry, buddy. I know that you're...
No, it's totally fine.
I know, I just kind of feel like... How are you holding up?
No, I'm really doing great. Like, honestly, I don't even think about it anymore. You know, it's fine. It's done. It's over.
Why do you keep doing that?
Doing what?
You keep acting like nothing even happened, like nothing's even bothering you. You know you can talk to me about it, right?
I know, but there's nothing to talk about, okay? I'm over it. It's fine. It's done.
Bullshit, man. Look, I understood the first couple of months. Everybody needs time to process things by themselves. But it's been over a year, and you keep shutting me out. And honestly, I'm just really worried about you. Are you talking to anybody about how you feel?
Can we please just drop this? Like, I don't want to talk about this. It's over. It's done.
You keep shutting everybody out. We just want to be here for you. All we want is for you to talk to us.
Us?
Your brother told me that you haven't been returning his calls. None of the other guys have seen you around. And Lila told me that she moved out because you refused to talk to her about anything. Why have you been keeping that from us?
Since when do you talk to Lila?
The other day she reached out to me because she wanted to know if I had any way of getting through to you. Look, man, if you won't open up to me, you should at least talk to her, or she might not be around much longer.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey.
I just gotta cut up some more of these veggies. Chicken's in the oven. We should be eating shortly.
Sounds good. I'll sit at the table.
You know, the absolute funniest thing has been happening to me these past few days. So, last night, when I was working, I went to go file some of my paperwork away. And I guess my hand, it slipped or something. And I got a paper cut on my finger right here. Now, you came in, you saw me cutting up veggies, right? Well, I am cutting them up, and I guess once again my hand slipped. Clumsy me. And once again, I cut my finger right here on my thumb. Astounding. I can't remember the last time I cut my hand, let alone twice on the same hand in 2 days. Honestly. Pretty amazing, pretty astounding.
Is that really what you're gonna do right now? You're not gonna, I don't know, apologize for last night?
I had work to do.
So you just flake on me on my birthday?
You could have come by at 9.
I didn't want to spend my entire birthday waiting for you to stop working. We had these plans made for weeks, and you pulled the same exact shit on me on our anniversary last month. You've been avoiding me like the plague lately, and I can't stand it anymore. going on with you? You used to talk to me.
I don't know. I guess I just... Are you fucking Sam?
Excuse me?
I figured it out last night. You didn't get back to me. He told me this morning that you guys have been talking. It's okay, I'm not upset. I just... If that's what you want, that's what you want. You know, I'm not gonna get in your way.
So you think that I'm cheating on you with your best friend? And you can't even admit that that bothers you?
No, really, I'm okay. I just...
This is what I mean! You can't just be fucking real with me! I'm so tired of this emotionless robot shit! And for the record, Sam and I are not sleeping together. I called him because I didn't know what else to do to try to get through to you, and I thought that someone who's known you since childhood might have some ideas. But honestly, it sounds like he's just as fed up with you as I am.
if I choose, let it be. If I choose, let it be. If I choose,
I'll be. Make me feel.
I've been waiting for all this time.
Help me speak.
For the feeling that's almost
Let me
mine.
free.
And if I choose to
And I'll be. Give me this.
I've been waiting to feel just fine.
And I'll take
I
that.
wanna know what I hold inside.
I want more.
And if I choose to
And I'll be. Make me feel. Help me speak. Let me free. And I'll be. Give me this. And I'll take that. I want more. And I'll be. Make me feel. Let me speak. Set me free. And I'll be. Give me this. And I'll take that. I want more.
You lost, friend?
Who the hell said that?
Up here, bucko. Hi there.
Who are you?
Like it matters.
Okay. So, what are you doing here?
This is literally my fucking home. Why are you here?
Well, I guess this is my home now too.
Why?
Well, I don't know. Why do you care?
I don't get a lot of visitors out here often, especially neighbors. So I'd like to get to know you a little bit, you know, silly Billy.
Well, I don't really think we're gonna be seeing a lot of each other out here. I don't know. Not really out here to make friends exactly.
So you came out here alone. Did something happen?
No, nothing happened. You ask a lot of fucking questions.
I'm just trying to get to know my new friend.
I'm not your friend, and I'm not going to be.
Ah, I see. So you're an asshole?
What? No, I'm not.
You're an asshole. So you came out to the woods because nobody fucking likes you. Why don't you just—
That's not true! They were the ones that changed. They said that I was acting different and that I needed to talk or whatever, but I didn't change. I didn't change.
Yeah, didn't you though?
Well, what the hell's that supposed to mean? You know, I don't even know why I'm talking to you. I don't even, why am I arguing with you? I don't even know what the hell you even are.
All I know is when someone says the whole world is the problem, it's usually the other way around, dude.
How did you do that?
You know, I'm gonna assume you weren't always like this because nobody would have liked you enough to even care. But I really want to know what happened. So,
There was an incident that happened a bit ago, and I don't know, ever since then, people have been telling me that I've been acting a little different. They want me to admit to some sort of, pain that I'm feeling, I guess.
are you sad, chum?
Well, I mean, yeah, but I don't know, I think I'm moving past it, you know? There's no need to dwell on that feeling. I'm getting over it.
You know, if you're so set on moving forward, you might want to confront what's holding you back. You know, you might be stuck, if not. The same place, the same days, always and forever. Oh, fuck.
What was that? No, fuck, no. Oh my God, no.
Hey, I'm a bear and all. I'm pretty sorry for scaring you earlier. I was just wondering though, do you have any berries by any chance? No, I'm pretty hungry. I'm a pretty hungry bear, and I could use some food, especially berries. So, do you? Do you have any berries? Nah, you probably don't. I get it. I'll try to find some for myself. Thanks anyways. I'll just head on this way.
Are you okay?
No! I'm not okay! My parents are dead! My best friend and my girlfriend, they hate me! And it's all my fault! It's my fault! And now I'm gonna die. Oh God, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die in this fucking forest. And I don't even know what's real anymore. What? I'm talking to a fucking bear! What?
Why are you gonna die?
Look at my leg!
Oh shit, yeah, look at that.
How the hell could you not see that?
I don't know, man. You know, I'm not like psychic or whatever. I mean, how am I supposed to know what you're going through? You know, it's just weird, man. It sucks. Why you gotta be a dick? It sucks. I hate it. Oh, fuck. Why didn't you ask for help earlier? When you were screaming like that, you lost a lot of blood. I could have helped a lot earlier than this.
Yeah, I don't know. I guess I've never been great at asking for help at all. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I guess I realized that a little too late.
Now that is where you're wrong. There's always time for change. Hold still. That stuff with your girlfriend? That sounds pretty rough. I am sorry.
Yeah, I guess I just screwed that entire thing up, man. I don't know. After the incident with my parents and all that, I cut myself off from everybody. I had a hard time talking to people about how I felt, so I guess I just didn't talk to them at all. People tried to reach out, but I don't know, man. I don't know.
It sounds like you got some things to work out, pal. I am sorry to hear about your parents.
Thanks, man. It really sucks. I know you're hungry. Thank you very much for your help. I appreciate it.
Nah, you know, you take it. You know, I'll forage for some berries on my own. It's okay. I've done this many times before. Besides, you're gonna need it for the journey home anyways.
I don't even know where I am. My compass is broken. I don't know.
Head in that direction. And in a few days' time, you'll find some buildings.
Thank you.
Hey, man.
Hey.
Are you good?
No. No, I'm not.
Did you meet the lady who said she could fly? She broke out her wings when she fell from the sky. The effort was brave and she gave a sigh. Now I'm there through the sky on my own, my own, my. I can fly through the air, I can fly anywhere. I can fly through the sky and just see if I dare. When she was a girl, she would jump rather high. Then she fell in love with the air and the sky. She discovered her wings and she gave a life.